To access the speed warning settings, start by using the iDrive controller located on your center console. Press the iDrive controller to enter the main menu. This circular control allows you to navigate through the vehicle's infotainment system. Once in the main menu, navigate to the Settings option. You can use the controller to scroll and select menu items. From Settings, look for Driver Assistance or sometimes Vehicle Settings depending on your vehicle's configuration. Select this option to access safety and driving features. Within Driver Assistance, you'll find options to configure the speed warning system. This is where you can enable, disable, or customize the feature. If your menu shows Vehicle Settings instead, select that option as it may contain the same driver assistance features. Once in the Driver Assistance menu, select Speed Warning or Speed Limit Alert. You'll then have the option to turn the feature on or off. You can also set a custom speed limit at which the alert will trigger, such as 5 to 10 kilometers per hour over the posted limit. Instead of relying on navigation data, you can set a custom speed limit. This is useful if you prefer a consistent warning threshold, regardless of the posted limit. Simply enter your desired speed in the speed warning settings. To set a custom speed limit, press the iDrive controller to enter the menu. Navigate to Settings, then Driver Assistance. Select Speed Warning and choose to set a custom speed limit. Enter your desired speed, such as 50 kilometers per hour, and confirm the setting. The speed warning alert can manifest in several ways. First, an audible chime alerts you with a sound when exceeding the limit. Second, a visual indicator appears on the instrument cluster, such as a speedometer icon. Third, haptic feedback provides vibration in the steering wheel. The specific type depends on your vehicle's options. The speed warning system has some important limitations that affect its reliability. First, its accuracy heavily depends on the navigation system's map data for real-time speed limit information. Without active navigation, or if the maps are outdated, the system can only use your custom speed limit setting, which may not match current road conditions. Additionally, sensor errors from the vehicle's speed sensors or GPS can cause inaccurate or false alerts, requiring regular maintenance checks. As BMW no longer updates the speed warning system in F10 and F11 models, owners are turning to aftermarket solutions. These retrofit kits integrate with modern smartphone apps, providing accurate real-time speed limit data from sources like OpenStreetMap. However, proceed with caution, as modifications can void warranties and introduce cybersecurity risks. Future trends include hybrid conversions and community-driven open-source upgrades to keep these vehicles roadworthy.